It's beautiful out here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is beautiful out here. Listening to the birds chirp. Beautiful morning. Not too hot, not too cold. Feels pretty good. Feels really good, actually. Today we're going to, we got some potatoes. We got 3 things of potatoes. Potatoes are here. We got potatoes here. And we got potatoes here. You know what? Make it 4, because we got potatoes here. Right here. So we got 4 things of container potatoes. Well, 3 containers, 1 bag. And I think what we're going to do is these aren't ready, I don't think yet. So we're not going to do anything with these back here. Normally, typically what you want to see is the greens of the potatoes kind of drooped, laying down. That's when you kind of know the potatoes are about ready. But these are standing up pretty, all of them just kind of standing up pretty good. I mean, this one right here kind of has some droopy plants on it. And they're all, they kind of got dead leaves and things of that nature. See, that just popped off right there. That leaf just popped off. So we'll probably end up taking this one first, seeing what these potatoes look like. And then from there, we will move to the others. Get off of me. If these potatoes are small, they're tiny potatoes, then we'll wait on these. But if these are nice, big, plump potatoes, then we'll probably go ahead and get these as well. Not this one, but these 2 as well. But this right here is going to determine what we do. So what I'm going to do is get me a tarp, grab a tarp, and then we will take this and dump it on the tarp and see what we got. Very easy. We're going to have a picnic. Okay. All right. We got the tarp ready to roll. Now, we just need to bring over the potatoes. There we go. All right. Here we go. We got our first potato container. So let's go ahead and dump it. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do first, just pull these up. See what we got. There's one little potato right there. There's another one. I'm not sure what type of potatoes these are. Here's another little one. Yeah, we're just getting a bunch of little ones. Let's see what we got here. That's a nice size one. Well, that's still small. Got a couple of these right there. Right there. All right. Okay, we now we're gonna dump the dirt and see what else we got. So far, that's what we got. But let's see what else we got. Oh, there's a potato right there. I'm gonna take it a little step at a time. Oh, there's another one right there. Back it up. There we go. All right. Okay. Oh, there's another one. A little tiny one. There's another one. Okay. Oh, there's another one. This is the beauty of doing these type container, using these containers with potatoes. You don't have to use a pitchfork. You don't have to use a shovel. And each potato is going to come out looking somewhat good because there's no threat of cutting them in half. There's no threat of poking them with the pitchfork. So that is the beauty of doing your potatoes in a container. That is definitely a pro. Because when we got those potatoes out of the conservatory and the other part of the garden, we poked and cut in half a lot of potatoes. More than I'd want. Oh, here's one. Right there. There we go. Bring that up. Okay, still quite a bit of dirt in here. A little potato. Oh, there's one. And the reason I'm doing it this way is, just to kind of take my time, make sure I got all the potatoes. I'm not sure what that is. Probably, there we go. All right, little by little. Oh, there we go. All right, that's about it. Grab the rest of this dirt. I think that's it. Yeah, I believe that's it. Everything else is pretty much dirt. And yeah, that's it. Okay, well, there we have it. Now, the question is this good enough to go ahead and dump the others? Is this a good enough amount of potatoes to go ahead and dump the other basket and container? Or do we let them grow a couple more weeks and see what we get? I don't know. I'm gonna have to talk to my wife on that one and make a decision of what we want to do. But right now, out of this one container, this is what we're looking at right here. But anyway, I'm gonna put this dirt back in here, and that should do it. We probably could have left these in the container for a couple more weeks. I don't think it would have hurt, but we can eat these potatoes today, actually. So, yeah. All right, guys.